Welcome to Los Angeles' bustling Sunset Strip. This prime West Hollywood location puts you mere moments from the Comedy Store, Chateau Marmont, Sunset Plaza, the Laugh Factory, Equinox, and more, immersing you in the vibrant energy of LA's most iconic nightlife, dining, and entertainment. Discover this opportunity to own a rare, spacious 3-bedroom plus den or 4th bedroom, 1,600 square foot residence in a boutique 16-unit building boasting high ceilings and open floor plan, as well as an abundance of natural light. This ground floor unit also offers indoor-outdoor living with a private terrace approved for a small gas grill. Revel in the open floor plan with a spacious, beautifully updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar, and ample counter space, making it a dream for cooking and hosting. The home is equipped with central air and heat for year-round comfort and includes an electric stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher. A dedicated space for a side-by-side washer and dryer with hookups provides ultimate convenience, in addition to a community laundry facility in the building. The property also comes with 2 tandem parking spaces and a secured garage with controlled access, as well as front door intercom system for added security. With an exceptionally low HOA covering water, trash, sewer, and common area maintenance, this residence offers incredible value in one of the most sought-after locations in the world. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a luxurious, spacious home in the heart of the Sunset Strip.